Hi! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make these simple yet beautiful greeting carded flowers. If you would like to make this craft, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more of these crafts. So, let's get creative, shall we? For this craft, we will be using an A4 cut paper, scrapbooking paper, construction paper, few stems of dried tiny flowers, glue, pencil, a ruler, and a pair of scissors. Let's get started. Take the A4 card paper and fold it into half. Fold and cut the scrapbooking paper into half. Then take half of the scrapbooking paper, measure 1 cm on one side, vertical and horizontal, and cut along the pencil lines. Apply some glue and stick it on the card paper. Stack 3 different colors of construction papers together and make a square measuring 6 cm. Hold the papers together and cut it. Using both hands, crumple a square to give a nice texture to the paper. Try not to tear the paper while doing this. Gently open it up and flatten it, and maintain the shape. Do the same thing to the 2 other squares. This will be used for the flowers. For the leaves, take a green construction paper, measure 7 cm by 5 cm, and cut it. Make 2 pieces of these. Just like the squares, we also need to crumple these for the texture. Now let's start making the flowers by folding a square into 4 parts. Then fold it into a diagonal line. It is better to fold the paper well to leave the creased lines when we unfold it. Hold it this way to spot the creased lines. Fold the corners on each side. Fold each flap into the middle. Turn it over and do the same thing. Then fold it from the top to meet the bottom point. Hold the bottom part while gently opening the folded edges to reveal the petals. Then snip the petal tips. Repeat the same steps to make more flowers. Take the green paper, fold into half, cut into a curved shape to make a leaf. Keep the paper folded. Pinch a line to make the midrib part of the leaf. Make a zigzag fold from the top to bottom to make the veins. Gently open it up to reveal the leaf. Now let's start decorating the card. Take the dried flowers and arrange it first before sticking it. Now we can start sticking our flowers and leaves. We're almost there. To write your message, let's take another piece of construction paper and fold it into half. Then measure and cut 2 centimeters on one side and top of the paper. Apply some glue and put it inside the card. And there you have it, our greeting card with flowers. I hope you enjoyed making this craft with us today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.